Welcome. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your phone, trying to spot links in Discord messages, you're definitely not alone. Sometimes, those links just blend right in with the rest of the text, making it easy to miss important information or cool content your friends are sharing. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you a simple way to always underline links in Discord Mobile, so you'll never miss a link again. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you straight to your user settings, where you can customize all sorts of things about your Discord experience. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up a menu full of features designed to make Discord easier to use for everyone. Here's where the magic happens. Keep scrolling in the accessibility menu until you find the setting that says Always Underline Links. This feature is exactly what it sounds like. When you turn it on, every single link in Discord will be underlined, making them super easy to spot in any chat. To activate it, just tap the toggle next to Always Underline Links. You'll see it switch on, and from now on, any link you see in Discord will stand out with a clear underline. No more guessing, no more missing out on important links, and no more eye strain. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've made Discord a lot more user-friendly. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can make their Discord experience even better too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.